Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we're taking our baked eggplant and turning it into different delicious versions using simple seasonings, sauces and toppings you already have. How to cut eggplant for the result you want, rounds, planks or cubes. The cut controls the texture. Rounds are great for snacky slices, stacks and quick dips, since you get round edges and a soft center. Planks, long slices, work well for sandwiches and eggplant parmesan because they feel more meaty and are easy to layer. Cubes are perfect for grain bowls, pasta, and salads, since they're easy to toss and portion. And for even thickness so everything finishes at the same time. For rounds and planks, about 1/2 inch thick is a sweet spot. Thin enough to brown, thick enough to stay creamy inside. For cubes, keep them roughly the same size so some don't dry out while others are still firm. Step by step. The basic baked eggplant method you can use for any recipe. Start by heating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using parchment, line your sheet pan now so it's ready. While the oven heats, wash and dry the eggplant. You can peel it, but you don't have to. The sun helps pieces hold their shape, especially for cubes and planks. Cut the eggplant into your chosen shape, then place it in a bowl. Add olive oil a little at a time and toss until the pieces look lightly coated, not glossy wet. Season with salt and pepper, then add any dry spices you want, garlic powder, paprika, oregano, or chili flakes. Arrange the eggplant on the pan in a single layer with space between pieces. If they touch, they steam. If you're making a lot, use 2 pans and rotate them halfway through. Bake until the bottoms are browned and the slices look slightly collapsed, then flip. Flipping matters because eggplant browns where it touches the pan. Return it to the oven until the second side is golden and the centers feel soft when pressed with a fork. You're looking for golden edges and a creamy middle, not a wet surface. If you want to finish with cheese, add it near the end so it melts without burning. If you want to top with sauce, like marinara, add it after baking, or the eggplant can lose its crisp edges. Trouble happens, but it's usually easy to fix. Soggy eggplant. The pan was crowded, the oven wasn't hot enough, or you used a small pan that trapped steam. Dry eggplant. Pieces were cut too thin, or there wasn't enough oil to coat the surface. Bitter taste. The eggplant was older or very large, and salting would have helped. Timing guide and doneness check so you do not have to guess. Bake times vary by oven and thickness, so use the clock as a guide and your eyes as the final call. For rounds or planks, plan on about 22 to 30 minutes total, flipping halfway. For cubes, expect 18 to 25 minutes total, also tossing or flipping midway for even browning. Start checking a few minutes early. Eggplant is done when it's tender all the way through and looks a bit caramelized at the edges. If the outside is pale but the inside is soft, you can broil for 1 to 2 minutes at the end for color. Stay close, broilers go from nice to burnt fast. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.